Here we have the Mori Seiki lathe. I'm gonna shoot this video so you can see more detail on it. As you can see, we have put grease all over the lathe to protect it from rust. So in case you decide to buy it, if you want us to send it with grease, won't be a problem. But if you want us to clean it, we can do that. But you can tell how nice are the ways. You see the carriage smooth, really nice. So here you have the controllers, all the leverages are there, handles. So pretty complete unit. I'm gonna go around the tool carriage. Go around. We see. So we have covered all the metal for rusting, so we don't get that. But as you can see, everything is being protected. Then I'll show you the wiring here, the gears. Let me open the door. So you see all the gears there. See if you can see it. I can probably take also more pictures, but this is pretty much, it tells you the shape of the gears, you know. You can see, really nice unit. So discuss. Has the we already plug it in. That's how we turn it on. Base, everything on the back. So you have it